Hi! In front of me is VIVO V23 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Accounts. Then tap on this gear next to Google under Autofill and select Google Password Manager. Now tap on the password that you wish to get rid of and enter your current login method. Finally, tap on Delete next to Edit at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!